Welcome to the Enterprise Customer Success Playbook. This comprehensive guide walks you through the essential strategies and best practices for managing, growing, and retaining your enterprise customers. Whether you're new to customer success or looking to refine your approach, this playbook covers everything you need to know to build lasting, profitable relationships with your most important accounts. Enterprise customer success is a proactive, strategic approach to ensuring that your largest and most complex customers achieve their business objectives while using your product or service. Unlike traditional customer support, which reacts to problems, customer success anticipates customer needs, removes barriers to adoption, and drives measurable business outcomes. The goal is to create mutual success where customers achieve their goals and your company grows revenue through expansion and retention. The enterprise success journey follows a clear path from initial onboarding through ongoing growth and renewal. It begins with onboarding, where you ensure smooth implementation and establish strong foundational relationships. Next comes adoption, where customers learn to use your platform effectively to drive value. Then enablement helps them maximize the capabilities of your solution. Growth focuses on expansion opportunities, and finally retention ensures long-term partnership renewal and advocacy. Three foundational elements are critical for enterprise customer success. First, clear business objectives. You must understand what success looks like for your customer and align your efforts toward those specific, measurable goals. Second, executive sponsorship. Having support from customer leadership ensures resources and priority. Third, dedicated resources. A committed customer success team, implementation specialists, and technical support staff are essential to delivering on your promises and maintaining momentum throughout the relationship. Customer health scoring is a data-driven method to assess the overall health and satisfaction of your enterprise customers. Product health measures actual usage, feature adoption, and engagement levels. Business health evaluates whether the customer is achieving their stated business objectives and seeing measurable return on investment. Relationship health examines the strength of connections with key stakeholders and the level of executive engagement. By monitoring these metrics, you can identify at-risk accounts early and intervene before problems escalate. Strong enterprise relationships require connections at multiple levels of the customer organization. Executive sponsors provide strategic alignment and budget authority. Business leaders drive departmental adoption and expansion. Power users are champions who advocate for your solution internally. Technical contacts ensure smooth implementation and integration. By building these multi-threaded relationships, you reduce risk. If one stakeholder leaves or priorities shift, you maintain continuity through your other connections and can quickly strengthen relationships with new decision-makers. After your customer achieves initial success, expansion opportunities emerge. Upsell involves increasing spending with existing customers by introducing advanced features or premium capabilities. Cross-sell means selling complementary products or services to new departments within the same organization. Expansion into new divisions or geographic regions leverages your success and implementation knowledge to grow your footprint within the account. Strategic partnerships create deeper integrations or joint go-to-market initiatives. Each opportunity should be rooted in delivering additional value, not just generating revenue. Preventing customer churn requires vigilance and proactive intervention. Early warning signs include low engagement with your platform, declining feature usage, or changes in executive leadership. Unmet business objectives and increased support ticket volume can also signal dissatisfaction. Mitigation strategies include regular proactive check-ins to identify and resolve issues early. Implement health scoring to predict churn risk before it's too late. Maintain executive engagement to stay connected with decision-makers. Ensure your product continuously delivers on promised business outcomes. These strategies combined significantly reduce churn risk and extend customer lifetime value. Here are the 6 key takeaways from this playbook. First, take a proactive approach with dedicated teams and strategic alignment. Second, build multi-level engagement across your customer organization. Third, use data-driven decisions through health metrics and key performance indicators. Fourth, demonstrate continuous value through outcomes, not just features. Fifth, adopt an expansion mindset by identifying upsell and cross-sell opportunities aligned with customer success. Sixth, actively prevent churn by monitoring early warning signs and intervening strategically. Remember, success is a partnership where both your company and your customer work together towards shared outcomes. Thank you for reviewing the Enterprise Customer Success Playbook. We have covered the strategic approaches, methodologies, and best practices needed to excel in enterprise customer success. With 92% customer satisfaction, an average of 28 months customer retention, and a 3.2 times return on investment multiplier, these proven strategies deliver real results. Remember, building lasting partnerships through measurable value is the foundation of enterprise customer success. Now go out and apply these playbook principles to drive success for your enterprise customers.
If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit codelucky.com for more such useful content.